Add a business address on Facebook page. First of all, open your Facebook and make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on your profile and your Facebook page will be open. After that, simply tap on the edit icon or the pen icon at the top. It will lead you to edit your page. Now if you want to add address, scroll down a bit and under details you'll find address. Now tap on it. Now simply tap the address and your city, your location, and you can enter your zip code over here. After that, tap on save and close it. Now if you want to add your business address and where you're located exactly, tap on service area and search for service area. Now select on the location where you are located. After that, tap on save. Now if you want to add your hours from when you are open, tap on here and select your daily hours. And you can also customize your preferences on temporarily closed and update your status. After that, simply close back and you can add all of this. You can also add your rating and reviews on options so people will be able to rate you. And that's it, guys. After all, you do all of this, simply close and it will auto save and your address will be available over your profile under details section over here. And when people tap on that, they will be able to see your address directly on the Google Maps. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video.